viewers, welcome back to our channel Indian Recipes. In today's video we are going to see a perfect South Indian recipe. Yes, today we are going to see buttermilk curry with urad dal vada. Before going to recipe, don't forget to subscribe our channel with bell icon notification all. Come on, let's go into the video. First of all, we are going to take a bowl, and in this bowl we are going to add 2 tablespoons of raw rice and 1 tablespoon of tur dal, and now I am going to rinse both the rice and dal and will come back. So now I rinsed it, and now we are going to add little bit of water with it, and we are going to soak for 10 to 15 minutes. For the rest of 15 minutes we are going to do vada batter. For vada batter I have already soaked urad dal for around 1 to 1.5 hours, 1 cup of urad dal, and now we are going to take the urad dal and put it in a grinder, and now we are going to make it as a batter without adding any water. After we are grinding the batter, I kept it aside and I came back to prepare buttermilk curry. And for preparation I have taken half of the coconut and medium size coconut and 4 large size chilies, green chilies. If you are having small size chili, you can also add 5 to 6. I have taken 4 large size, and the dal and raw rice which we have soaked for 15 minutes I am adding with it, and 1 small size ginger. So ginger I have added with it, and now we are going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. We are going to make this as a paste. This paste should be a fine paste, so let's make it as a paste. See, the consistency should be like this, and the paste should be very soft. You can also add water while we making this paste. And in a bowl I have taken half liter of curd, which is very thicker, and before cooking we are going to add turmeric powder with this curd. I have adding 1 spoon of turmeric powder because this curd recipe will be yellowish in color, so we are going to add 1 spoon of turmeric powder, and with that I am adding the paste which I have already prepared. Now I am going to mix it well without any lumps, and for mixing I am not using any spatula or whisk. I just going to mix it well with my hands. According to our South Indians tradition, mixing with hand gives more taste for this recipe. So now we are going to do buttermilk recipe. Already we have taken only curd, so we are going to add water with this, and little bit water is enough. You can see while mixing the curd should be not more thicker and not more thinner, so it should be in a balanced stage. So I will show you that how it going to be. In this stage we are going to add salt for taste. Again mix it well, and if you need water you can also pour water. I will show you the consistency now. See how creamy it was, and now it was ready. We are going to cook it now, and this recipe you can have it with steamed rice. Now let's start cooking. For cooking I have taken a pan, and after pan get heated I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil, and after oil get heated I am adding mustard seeds, half a spoon of mustard seed. After it gets sprinkles, now we are going to add dry chilies. I have taken 4 dry chilies, and with that we are going to add curry leaves. In this stage we are going to add the buttermilk which we have mixed with that paste, homemade paste. So now it's ready. We are going to keep it for 4 to 5 minutes. Mix it well, and see, the consistency should be like this, and in this stage we are going to keep it for 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, see, it seems like this. You should not make it boil. Before getting boil, you should off your stove Otherwise, the buttermilk will be very thinner, so we can't eat with it with the raw steamed rice. So now it's ready. Let's take it aside, and we are going to do vada, which we going to add with this buttermilk curry. That vada batter already I have taken in a bowl, and with that I am adding some cumin seeds, pepper and curry leaves, and mix it well, and also you are going to add salt for taste. Now we are going to make it as a ball and a small hole in middle of that batter. So now I have already kept oil in stove, so it got heated, and now we are going to put this vada batter into it. See, the vada is ready. Now we are going to cook it double side. After double side got cooked, we are going to take it out, and the flame should be medium while we cooking this vada. Otherwise it will be cooked outside, and the inside it will be not cooked, so it seems crispy in outside and inside uncooked food. So we should keep our flame in medium flame. So now the vada is ready. After the vada got ready, we are going to add it in buttermilk curry, which we have already prepared, and soak it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, the buttermilk curry with this vada will be very tastier. The vada will be very soft, and the buttermilk will be very creamy. So this recipe is a healthy and tastiest South Indian meal recipe. So enjoy your food with this recipe, and let's see you back with an interesting recipe video. So this is a perfect South Indian more korambu. So see you back with an interesting recipe. Bye bye from Amrita.